Welcome to Aiden Learn. In today's video, we will focus on AI tools questions you must know for the EC Council Certified AI Program Manager Certification Exam. This video is specifically designed for candidates who are preparing for the CAIPM exam and want to strengthen their understanding of AI tools that are commonly used in real-world AI projects as well as in exam scenarios. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which AI platform is widely used for building and deploying machine learning models? A. Tableau. B. TensorFlow. C. Microsoft Word. D. Slack. Correct answer. B. TensorFlow. Explanation. TensorFlow is a widely used open-source framework for developing and deploying machine learning and deep learning models. Question number 2. Which tool is primarily used for data visualization in A projects? A. Power BI. B. Python. C. Jupyter Notebook. D. Scikit-learn. Correct answer, A. Power. BI explanation. Power BI is used to create interactive dashboards and visualize data insights for better decision-making. Question number 3. Which of the following is a cloud-based AI platform used for model training and deployment? A. AWS SageMaker. B. Notepad. C. Excel. D. Trello. Correct answer, A. AWS SageMaker. Explanation. AWS SageMaker is a cloud service that allows developers to build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. Question number 4. Which tool is commonly used for interactive data analysis and experimentation in AI? A. Jupyter Notebook. B. Google Docs. C. Canva. D. Zoom. Correct answer, A. Jupyter Notebook. Explanation. Jupyter Notebook provides an interactive environment for coding, visualization, and testing AI models. Question number 5. Which Python library is widely used for implementing machine learning algorithms? A. NumPy. B. Scikit-learn. C. Photoshop. D. Illustrator. Correct answer, B. Scikit-learn. Explanation. Scikit-learn is a widely used library that provides simple and efficient tools for machine learning and data analysis. These types of CAIPM exam questions are designed based on commonly referenced AI tools and concepts that align with exam-oriented preparation and industry-relevant knowledge. For candidates who are serious about their EC Council Certified AI Program Manager exam preparation, relying on structured and trusted resources is very important. Platforms like Pass4Future provide exam-focused material, and EC Council Certified AI Program Manager, CAIPM, 312-41 exam practice questions that help you prepare in a more targeted and efficient way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exam-focused questions and preparation content. We'll continue sharing more high-quality practice questions to support your certification journey.